Another day, another English lesson. Models for necessity and suggestion. Imagine you're preparing for a trip. What do you need to bring? What should you do before you go? In English, we use modals, special helping verbs, to talk about necessity, things that are required, and suggestion, good advice. These help us give clear instructions or make polite recommendations. Describing necessity. We use these modals when something is required. Must shows a strong rule or law. Example, you must carry a valid ID. Have to, necessary due to rules or expectations. Example, you have to book your flight early. Need to, something is necessary or important. Example, you need to bring your passport. Don't have to, something is not necessary. Example, you don't have to get any shots. Giving suggestions. These modals offer advice. They are softer than those for necessity. Should gives a good idea or recommendation. Example, you should try some traditional food. Ought to, similar to should, a good idea. Example, you ought to take a picture of your ID. Had better, give strong advice to avoid a problem. Example, you had better confirm your hotel booking. Shouldn't indicate something is a bad idea. Example, you shouldn't carry too much cash. Now let's practice. What's the best travel advice? Choose the better modal of necessity or suggestion to complete each sentence. One, you shouldn't pack so many clothes. You won't have space for souvenirs. 2. You must always carry your ID with you. It's required by local law. 3. You ought to wear a money belt for your cash and cards. 4. You had better reserve your hotel before arriving. It gets crowded. 5. If you want to save money, you should get a round-trip ticket. 6. Most hotels ask you to leave by noon. You need to check out on time to avoid paying for another night. 7. If you're not feeling well, you shouldn't eat street food. 8. Before you travel, you should check the expiration date on your passport. I hope you enjoyed this Worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.